Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I wanna make a video. The name is Interview of English. The first question is please tell about yourself. Okay. First, my name is Rizal Kurnia Ramadan. You can call me Aldi. I was born in 2 October 2006 in Bekasi, and I 14 years old, and now I'm study at IDN Boarding School Jonggol. I have a hobby. My hobby is playing football or futsal, and I have a dream. I wanna become a designer, the pro designer. I wanna make the good design of application and others. And I in IDM boarding school have done 3 years. I'm study at IDM boarding school, and I live in Bekasi. There is a long time. Now I'm 14 years old, and I or my family live in Bekasi is have 16 years. And okay, this about the first question of please tell about yourself. For the next question is how was your IT skill before coming to IDN? Okay, for my IT skill before go to or learning in IDN is good, not bad. But before I go to IDN, I'm just can my IT skill is just robotic or making a robot. And in my old school, before I learning at IDN, in my old school, I joining extracurricular. The extracurricular is robotic, and in this extracurricular, I and my friend is learning a robotic, like how to build a robot, how to program a robot, and others. And uh, before I go to IDN, in my old school, me and my friend is joining a competition of robotic in Bekasi, and alhamdulillah, me and friend is become a champion of robotic competition in Bekasi. For others IT skill, maybe I just can like a Canva, Microsoft, Paint, and others. Okay. For the next question is what is your ability during learning at IDN? There is IT, English, and Dinia. And my ability during learning at IDN is there is so many, like I during learning in IDN I get so many experience, and I have made so many project like IT project, English project, and Dinia project. And for the example, this for my IT project, me this IT project I have made during learning at IDN. There is a design, application, game, and web, and others. There is so many project I have made during I learning at IDN boarding school. For the next, this for English project, I have can completed the task from my English teacher for the target. in first semester, I must complete it for 1 hour presentation, and or I make a video presentation of English. The duration is 1 hour, and I can completed the target or the task of English project. For the last is Dinia project. I get the task from Dinia teacher in IDN. I can make a video this practice of pray jenazah, or the step by step or tips for pray jenazah practice, and I can make this video during I learning at IDN boarding school. Okay, for the next question is what kind of game have you created? Okay, in IDN, during I learning at IDN, the all student at IDN, he must make a 20 game must you created in IDN. But in this video I just give the example of my game I have created during learning at IDN. This for the example, the first game there is a Flappy Parrot, and the second game there is a match game. For the first game is Flappy Parrot. You can control the parrot. For the parrot is flying, and you just press the space button on your keyboard, and you cannot touch the lightning. If you touch the lightning, you can lose. And for the math game, you must answer the question from the shark. The shark give you some question, and if you answer correct of the question, you can get a point. Okay. For the next question is what kind of web have you created? Okay, and for the web is same like the game. We must make a 20 project or web during I learning at IDN boarding school. For the example, there is two web. The first web is digital clock web, and for the second web is profile of IDN boarding school. For the first web is website is just show the digital clock in website, and for the second web is in this web is the profile of IDN boarding school. In this web there is so many information or the history about IDN boarding school and others information about IDN boarding school. For the next question is what kind of design have you created? For the design is same for the nominal of how many design you must created in IDN is same like the website or game is 20. And for the example, this I make the design in Canva, because in Canva is simple. And for the first design, I have make a mind mapping on Canva. This linear task, we must make a mind mapping. The name is adab bertamu. And for the second design, this mufradat design or Arabic language, and with the translate, and I must make the poster or design in Canva. And for the second design or mufradat poster is this is poster when IDN there is a competition of making a mufradat poster, and I make the poster is like that, and alhamdulillah I winning the competition uh, for the mufradat poster in IDN boarding school. For the next question is, what kind of app have you created? For the app is like or same like others project. This must make a 20 application during I learning at IDN. For the example is this, the first application is the history of heroes in Indonesia, and for the second app is Muslim series app, and this I make in two language of application. For the first application I make with Flutter or Dart, and for the second application is I make a Java in Android Studio. And for the next question is, do you ever become the trainer? Where? I ever become a trainer in SMP TK Citamulya in Jakarta, and I become a trainer in there, and I training and I'm training Canva in SMP TK Citamulya with my friend. I in there training to the student in there how to make a poster and how to make a design in Canva and others. And for the next question is, how much money do you get from the project? Or I become a trainer, and I become a trainer in SMP TK Citamulya. Teaching I teaching in SMP TK Citamulya. I teaching in there is 3 days, and after I become a trainer in there, I get a money. The money is so much. This I get 200,000 rupiah I get from SMP TK Citamulya because I become a trainer in there. For the next question is, what is your opinion about IDN? My opinion about IDN is a good school, and in there I can get so many experience, and I get so many friends, and the friend in IDN is good. No, there is a bad friend, and in IDN you can get you can get so many experience, and you can You can have IT skill or English skill and Dinia skill and others, because in IDN you can learning anything in IDN boarding school. For the next question is, what is the most interesting experience during learning at IDN? My interesting experience during learning at IDN, I'm joining a competition in Jakarta or in JCC, and I with my friend joining a competition in there, and I joining a competition is uh, make a creative video Instagram, and but in this competition I lose because maybe I no maximal to make or created the creative video Instagram, and but I so happy because in there I can get so many experience. I can learning in there, and I can see for the event, and I can buying so many tools, and I can buying good food or delicious food in there. And for the best moment in JCC when I join a competition in there is I go to a game event, and in there I and my friend is can playing game is the game is Tekken 7 is free. You can try to playing this game, and if you win in this game, you can get a free t-shirt from the people in there. And I so happy because I can do many things in there, and I so happy. For the next question is, please give some tips or advices to your junior. For my junior, you must keep spirit, and you must focus if you when you study, and you must listen to your teacher, and you cannot you can't become a bad student in your class or in IDN boarding school. You must become a teladan or good student in IDN boarding school, because you can become a example. You can give us example for good things you must do in IDN boarding school. And for the next question is, please give some tips or advices to the new participants who wanna register at IDN. My tips for the new participants who wanna register at IDN is, my tips is, you must be stronger and you must upgrade your mentality. For the next question is, where do you want to continue your study and why? And I wanna study after I graduation in IDN boarding school. I wanna continue study at IDN boarding school again, because I wanna focus. To my skill is RPL. I must focus and I must continue to upgrade my skill, and I must be spirit again to uh, learning in IDN boarding school, because I wanna make a good skill from IT. And for the next question is, what is your future? Why? My future is I I wanna become a designer, good designer or pro designer, because I so like to uh, see the good design, and I always see the good design like in Instagram, Pinterest, and others. And now I'm always try to make the design or the good design like poster, mind mapping, or design application and others. The next question is, so what should you do to achieve your future? I or I should do to achieve my future is I must keep spirit to study, and I must focus to learning a design, and I must always try to make a good design. And for the next question is, any word for IDN? Uh, the last word for IDN is good. Okay, my name is Aldi. I'm sorry if I have a mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.